Hello, TJ here with third quarter quest. Just doing a little meal prep for my stay. I guess that music might be a little loud. My stay at the state park for my host position for September and October. And yes, there is a store close by, but frankly, cooking in the camper is a little less desirable than it is cooking in a home kitchen. So anyway, I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I'm gonna be doing. I have a bunch of Tupperware all ready to go, and I'm gonna label it. Nothing real fancy, mostly vegetable and pasta or rice, and then I'm gonna make some bean salad, which is good protein and it's good for lunches. And just putting some seasoning in, some canned vegetables, and I'm doing some rice and pasta and just adding vegetables to them. And I know that music is too loud. and then I'm gonna label them and freeze them, and then that much less I have to do. So on that note, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. TJ here with third quarter quest. I will see you on the campground. Over and out.